My name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I live in São Paulo. I like my city. My mother is 50 years old. My father is 53 years old. My mother is a doctor. My father is a doctor. My parents work together. They work in the same hospital. The hospital is big. The hospital is good. The hospital is clean. I am a teacher. I am a happy teacher. I work 6 hours a day. I work at a school. I work with love. I love my job. I love my students. Today is Monday. Monday is a work day. Monday is a busy day. Monday is a tiring day. I wake up early. I wake up very early. I go to work at 7 in the morning. The day is clear. The day is fresh. The weather is good today. There are many children at school. The children talk to me. I talk to the children. I teach the children. I work until 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, I go home. At home, I eat lunch. I eat rice and beans. I eat roast chicken. I eat tomato salad. I drink soda. After lunch, I rest a little. I take a short nap. I wake up early, so I feel tired. At 4 in the afternoon, I have a swimming class. I love to swim. After class, I feel a little tired. I feel tired, but I feel happy. Today, I want to go to the mall. I want to buy some clothes. I like this green skirt. The skirt is very beautiful. The skirt is expensive. I buy the skirt. I want to buy a pink dress. The clothes are a gift. The clothes are a gift for my mother. It is a birthday gift. I eat ice cream. The ice cream is vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite ice cream flavor. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? I love to walk around the mall. And you? Do you like to walk around the mall?